CZ Binance sends its regards to all XRP holders, all Jasmcoin holders, all XLM holders. In this video, we're going to be looking at a quick XLM price update, a quick Jasmcoin price update, and also a quick XRP price update. And also, we're going to be talking about the BTC price chart on the daily time frame. We are going to briefly talk about the orders chart as well in order to get a clear picture of what we should really expect from the market. Now, just yesterday, Binance promised the entire crypto space that they were going to use their SAFU funds to buy BTC. The SAFU funds was worth around $1 billion, but they did the opposite today. Coming to today, they did the exact opposite of what they promised yesterday. Binance have successfully sold more than $1 billion worth of crypto so far, thereby causing a lot of further panic selling across the market. The likes of XRP has experienced that bearish volatility as well. The likes of Jasmcoin, the likes of XLM, like no cryptocurrency coin is spared from the manipulation that is currently going on. The obvious manipulation. BTC dumped to around $75,000. If you guys remember, I told you guys in yesterday's video when BTC was still trading around $84,000. I told you guys I'm expecting BTC to tap into the 73K zone. So we dropped all the way to $75,000, left with $2,000, right? Yeah, $2,000 price difference before we get to this my target for the current dump that is happening. Now, anything below the $73,000 is going to be devastating for XRP holders, for Jasmcoin holders, for XLM holders. By the way, if you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button if you haven't already. My name is Isaac. You're welcome. Now, let's see. Anything below the 73K is going to be very, very bad for the entire cryptocurrency market, like seriously. Now let's head to the XLM real quick. If you're paying attention, XLM has unfortunately lost this significant zone around 2 cents, 0.020. I was expecting a reversal from there, but it did the opposite as a result of the aggressive market manipulation that is currently going on. We are currently on the XLM chart on the weekly time frame. This is the XLM USDT pair, and my potential reversal price area would be the 14 cent. My potential reversal area for XLM would be around 14 cents. You understand? 14 cents should be potential reversal area. If we lose that for 14 cents, then nothing is stopping us from tapping into this massive buy limit order placed around 10 cents with a stop loss of 8 cents. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The manipulation is just too much. Crypto is dumping aggressively. Gold dumped massively. Silver had a historical dump. The US dollar is losing strength. What is really going on? More than $15 trillion have been wiped out from the financial market so far. Where has the money gone to? If you're paying attention to XRP, XRP is having a similar chart pattern to XLM. So I'm expecting XRP to get a bounce when we get to $1.30. We might get to $1, eventually get to $1.30. So we should get an ideal bounce there to the upside, because if you're paying attention, the $1.30 is an obvious potential bullish breaker block territory. You can as well call it support zone as well. If we unfortunately loses this zone around $1.30 as a result of the aggressive market manipulation, then you all should just get ready to buy XRP when we get to 66 cents. 66 cents is my potential massive limit order on XRP with a stop loss of 47 cents. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Lose the $1.30 zone, then we drop to 66 cents for XRP. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, if you're paying attention to Jasmcoin as well, Jasmcoin has unfortunately lost the 0.0075 territory. We've now tapped into this my potential long buy limit order spot market. By the way, spot buy limit order for Jasmcoin around 0.0056. We tapped into it. We are currently trading around that territory. And yeah, so the stop loss zone, okay, The stop loss zone is around 0.0030 for Jasmcoin. Anything below this stop loss price, it is game over for me on Jasmcoin as well. My stop loss is going to get triggered. So if you're paying attention to XRP on CoinMarketCap, we are down minus 10% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently seated at $97 billion. Market cap is down minus 10% as well. So thanks to CZ Binance for successfully wrecking crypto investors and crypto space as well. And also thanks to the global market manipulators. And yeah, so XLM is down minus 9.9% in the last 24 hours. Market cap currently seated at $5.7 billion. Market cap is down minus 9.8%. Jasmcoin is down minus 12.5% in the last 24 hours. Market cap down minus 12.5% as well. And if you're paying attention, market cap is currently seated at $228 million. My God, Jasmcoin is taking a massive hit, like seriously. Man, the market is now draining. If you're paying attention, more than $2 billion worth of long positions have been liquidated so far. Technically, more than $2.4 billion worth of long positions have been liquidated so far in the last 24 hours, with just $116 million worth of short positions getting liquidated. Guys, if you're still leverage trading in this current market condition, you are doing yourself no good at all, because at the end of the day, you will just end up being an exit liquidity for the market makers, for the market manipulators. Your best bet would be for you to stay away from leverage for now until the dust settles. Now, if you're paying attention to the others chart, we've talked about this chart on my channel countless times. The others chart is still holding above the multi-year support territory. Now, for those who don't know what this others chart against the BTC pair is, this is the ratio crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptos and excluding BTC as well. So the others chart is still holding above this trend line, and the trend line has held as support since 2017. And yeah, so I think the 2019 playbook is still likely to happen, because the last time this others chart retested the the trend line in 2019, August 1st to be precise, was when quantitative tightening came to an end. And what happened after then? It marked the market bottom and we rallied aggressively to the upside. Now, quantitative tightening also came to an end last month, 2025, December 1st to be precise. And what happened after then? I think the market bottomed and we are still holding above the trend line. So if history is to repeat herself, quantitative tightening usually marks the beginning of new liquidity injection into the market and into the US economy, thereby driving the risk appetite of investors higher. So if history is to repeat herself, then 2019 playbook is likely to repeat herself in this 2026. A loss of this multi-year significant support zone will mark the destruction of more than 80% of altcoins in the crypto space. The moment we lose this trend line, flip it into a resistance, it is game over for altcoin investors. Like this video if you haven't already. My name is Isaac. Peace out.